Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a Grievous trait in Warhammer Underworlds. To do this, first you will need to pick an attack. Let's say that this weapon does have the Grievous trait. Now we just roll for attack. Let's say that we had 2 critical hits. Even one is enough. I will explain why I picked 2 in a second. So let's say we have those 2 critical attacks. Now right here the Grievous trait applies because we rolled critical, and we add 1 damage to that attack. And why I rolled 2, it doesn't change. You just add 1 attack even though you have 2 critical hits. So in this case, we would deal 3 damage to that attacker, to that defender, if he wouldn't roll a successful defense. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.